Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix announce calls not working on iPhone in iOS 15. So let's get started. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode. Now let's solve this issue. Firstly, go to Settings app, tab on General. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap the transfer or reset and tab on reset. Here click on resets all setting. After that enter your passcode of your iPhone. Then tap on reset all setting to confirm your action. After resetting the all settings, go back to settings menu. Scroll down to find phone and tap it. Select announce calls under the allow phone to access. Here select always. That's all. So like the video before leaving, subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.